everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add missing ID number with Kutools for Excel. If you have a list of ID numbers including some missing numbers, you can apply the Kutools for Excel's Find Missing Sequence Number utility to quickly find and add the missing number. Select the ID numbers you want to insert missing numbers. Click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the Insert drop-down list and click on the Find Missing Sequence Number. In the Find Missing Sequence Number dialog box, you can choose one option to add or highlight missing numbers as you need. I will check the Inserting Missing Sequence Number option and click the OK button. A dialog pops out to remind you of the number of missing data. Click the OK button and click on the worksheet. And then all missing numbers have been added or highlighted in the column or beside the column, as you can see, depending on your selection choice. And if you want to highlight or insert new column with the following missing marker, you can choose this option and click the OK button. You can see the missing marker is added. And if you want to insert blank rows, you can check this option and click the OK button. Again, click the OK button, and by clicking in the worksheet, the blank rows are inserted. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.